Hey guys, I have an unboxing video for you guys today. It is the Midland HH54VP. This is not the weather radio that's actually coming in the mail. It was completely unexpected. We just went to Radio Shack and we just decided to get a weather radio. So let's get to the unboxing. It's a clamshell, so it's kind of annoying, but I don't really mind that when it comes to getting a new weather radio. Yeah, okay, good. I was just making sure you guys can see that. Probably get it out now, but just to make it easy, I'm gonna put this out. Last side and then, oh come on, there. Here it is. So yeah. I'm going to press all the buttons. Oh, come on. There. And there's a plug up here. Get the AC adapter. I'm going to move the tripod really quick. Yeah. Let's see. Oh shoot. How am I gonna do this? There we go. I just undo the twisty tie. Now I am very excited because this is my first, crud. This is my first handheld, and I don't know if I have anywhere to plug it in. Has a very small cord, but whoa, okay. Well, this thing will not stay. Oh, because it's on. There. Sorry about that. There, now hope for the best, and no, it doesn't fit. I'm going to have to unplug the Midland for now, the WR100, just for now. It has plenty of battery, hopefully. This goes in right here, maybe? Sorry, I am completely unfamiliar with this radio. Oh, here it is. I think it has the same. Oh, I missed the lamp test. Okay. Let me make sure you guys can see it. Okay. Only the warning light shows up, but that's okay. I just get the sticker off, and I'm going to put that on my mirror. This one's really hard to get off. Oh, there we go, almost. I'll just put that on my mirror. There. Okay. So, it's an owner's manual. Because if I have any problems, and there is no owner's manual. Oh, never mind. It's kind of hidden in there. Okay. do I open this? Oh, here we go. Maybe? Yes? No? Maybe? Come on. Oh, there's tape. I see it. I'll fix the packaging. There we go. Maybe not. Sorry. This is probably yeah, it's a long unboxing. And almost got it out. I probably won't need it, but just so we have it, here's the owner's manual. As always, a Midland guide. And now let's get to the setup. Time, the current time is 8:46. Oh, come on. Okay. Alarm, not gonna use that. Channel, okay.
The forecast for the Olympic Mountains.
I'll just keep it on any. Alert type. Voice. Alert test, okay, this might be a little loud. Oh, never mind. Oh, went back. Set beep. I think I'll keep it off because it's pretty loud. Light, normal. Time, okay. Well, looks like that's the unboxing and setup of the Midland HH54VP. Oh. What? Okay. Well, let's see how to turn this thing on. Just so you guys have the information, I'm gonna... okay. Why won't this turn on? Maybe the batteries. Well, I'll do that in a little bit. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye.